Multiple choice questions for basic accounting. The question is, depreciation is letter A decrease in the fair market value of an asset. Letter B, an expense that is incurred during an accounting period. Letter C, a method of saving cash to replace plant assets. Letter D, added to the cost of the equipment on the balance sheet. And letter E, shown on the balance sheet as a liability. I will give you 5 seconds to answer. Okay, time is up. So let's now answer this question. Depreciation is a decrease in the fair market value of an asset, which is not correct. Letter B, it is an expense that is incurred during an accounting period. That is correct. When we say depreciation, always remember that it talks about expenses that is incurred during the accounting period, and usually an expense on the non-current assets such as the equipment, machineries, building, furniture and fixtures, and etc. Letter C, a method of saving cash to replace plant assets. No. Added to the cost of equipment on the balance sheet. No. Shown on the balance sheet as a liability. No. So the correct answer for the first question is letter B, an expense that is incurred during an accounting period. Next question. Accumulated depreciation, especially if in an equipment, is shown, specifically in equipment, is shown as letter A, an expense on the income statement. Letter B, a liability on the balance sheet. Letter C, a statement from profit on the statement of owner's equity. Letter D, a contra account on the balance sheet. And letter E, an addition to equipment on the balance sheet. So I will give you 5 seconds to answer. Okay, so let's now answer the question. When we say accumulated depreciation equipment, it is not an expense on the income statement because the expense on the income statement is called depreciation. A liability on the balance sheet? No. Accumulated depreciation is not considered as a liability. A deduction from profit on the statement of owner's equity? No. Accumulated depreciation is never a deduction from profit on the statement of owner's equity. Letter D, a contra account on the balance sheet. Yes, because diba, for example, in making a balance sheet building, we have to less the accumulated depreciation for the building. That is why that it is called a contra account on the balance sheet. Letter E, on addition to equipment on the balance sheet. No, it is a deduction, diba, less to the equipment on the balance sheet. So the correct answer for this question is letter D. So congratulations to those who made it. Thank you so much, class, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and share it to your loved ones. God bless.